In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can switch off app notifications. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Notifications right away. Following that, select App Settings. Select Most Recent and click on the best filter for you. In my case, All Apps. Now just tap on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by choosing the same, now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!